How do we find the square of two digits and three-digit numbers without stress? What we have to do is this. We first find the square of 7, then the square of 9. What is the square of 7? That would give 49. And then the square of 9 will give 81. Then the next step will be that you multiply 7 by 9 and then double the answer. 7 times 9 will give 7 times 9 will give 63. Then you double it and this will give 126. So when we now want to write this 126, we will leave the you will leave this first digit, like you will leave it out, then you write the 6 here, write the 2 here, and then write the 1 here. Then we add so that we have 1. 8 plus 6 is 14. That's 4. Then 1 plus 9 plus 2 would give 12. Then 1 plus 4 plus 1 will give 6. So the square of 79 is 6,241. You can press your calculator to check. Now let's find the square of a three-digit number. Let's say we want to find the square of 823. So the first thing we are to do is to find the square of each digit. The square of 8 is 64. The square of 2 is 4, but you have to write it in two digits. So that will be 04. You don't just write 4. The square of 3 is 9. So you write 09. Then the next step will be that you multiply 2 by 3, then you double the answer. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. You leave this first digit here, then you write 12. The next thing will be that you multiply 8 by 2 and then you double it. 8 times 2 is 16. Double it is 32. You write 32 here. You leave this place out also. Then the next thing will be to multiply 8 by 3 and then double it. 8 times 3 is 24. Double 24 is 48. So this time around, the 48 will be under the center digits so that we have 48. Then we add. We have 9 here. We have 2. 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 8 would give 13. Remainder 1. 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 4. That would give 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. And then we have 6. So the square of 823 will be equal to 677,329. It is easier when we have 0 as the center, as the middle digit of the three-digit numbers. For example, let's say we have 506 square. All you have to do is to just say the square of this is 25, then we have 00, and then this is 36. Because of the 0 that we have here, if you multiply this, it will always give 0. So you just multiply 5 by 6 straight up. 5 by 6 is 30. 30 in two places is 60. So we just add the 60 here, and then we have 6,306,52, and that is the square of 506. Give it a try, and if you need help, let me know. And if it works and you will be using it, let me also know. See you in the next video.